I hate this! What the heck? This stupid game! God. What do you think? Think this game's dumb? I don't know. Who created this game anyway?
No wonder it's called Unfair Mario.
To make it more challenging, that's what I think. Just make it challenging than the regular one. Ah, heck no. I'm done with it.